Hello YouTube, this is Henry Lucero with Aero Electric. It's pretty hot out here today. We're finished with this 320 amp service. So we got it all wired up, it's all finished, ready to go. Everything's been installed. This is a new construction in Euless, Texas. And so the service is all finished up. This is quite a pretty good sized house. This house has 2 garages. And we'll do another recap of the inside and whatnot. But anyway, the main service is finished, and now we're working on the main panels in the garage.